welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are preparing for your CA, CS, CMA exams. Now let me tell you, if you are looking for subscriptions, then Unacademy is offering 20% discount specially till today only. So today is the last day to avail this 20% discount by using my code CSJAS. तो अगर आपको कोई भी सब्सक्रिप्शन लेनी है, चाहे CA की, चाहे CS की, चाहे CMA की, आप वो सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हैं using my code CSJAS. And if you take the subscription today, you will get flat 20% discount as per the offer. I will leave the batch links in the description box below. Make sure you check them out, and if you feel like subscribing, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 20% discount. And also the new Masterstroke batch is going to be started on 16th February. So if you are a CSEET student and going to sit in May 2022 CSEET exam, then you can enroll for that batch. And by using my code today, you will get flat 20% discount. So see you all today in my special class at 7 p.m. Till then, keep preparing and keep studying. Bye.